Meanwhile, Union Minister Smriti Irani has hit out at Congress's Rahul Gandhi after he accepted an invitation for a public debate with PM Modi, asking if the Congress leader is a PM candidate of the India Alliance. Rahul Gandhi has extended an invitation for a public debate on key election issues to PM Modi. Let's in fact listen into what Smriti Irani said in response to Rahul Gandhi's tweet.
जिस व्यक्ति में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं कि वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक सामान्य कार्यकर्ता से अपने सो कॉल्ड गढ़ में चुनाव लड़ सके, वो डींगे ना ही हाके तो बेहतर। लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के साथ समतल एक समकक्ष बात करने वाले व्यक्ति से मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ, क्या वो इंडी गठबंधन के प्रधानमंत्री के उम्मीदवार हैं?
Mendi Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mendi, response by Smriti Irani to Rahul Gandhi's debate there for Prime Minister Modi. What has she said?
Well, yes, so they amid the Lok Sabha elections where the Amethi seat became the hot seat and the major controversial seat. In between those, Rahul Gandhi decided to contest from Rai Bareli, over which the Bharatiya Janata Party or the candidate from BJP, Smriti Irani, were taking a jibe at Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi. But now, after Rahul Gandhi has challenged Prime Minister Modi for a debate, then the war of words has again started between Smriti Irani and Rahul Gandhi, over which, as we heard today, that Smriti Irani has said that the candidate, the person who cannot have the courage to contest in front of a BJP worker or a BJP karyakarta as of her, didn't have the courage to fight against her. Who is he to challenge Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the debate? And also in her comment, she also said that the person who is saying all these things, is he a PM candidate from the India Alliance? So big questions or the allegations or statements are coming from Smriti Irani after Rahul Gandhi has challenged Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the debate. And we saw that Amethi and Rai Bareli were the talk of the town when the candidate were being selected by the Congress Party. And later, when everybody knew and the decision came in front of everybody that Rahul Gandhi will not be contesting from the Amethi seat, he'll contest from Rai Bareli. Then the politics over these seats got heated up, and Smriti Irani earlier challenged Rahul Gandhi in front in many interviews and in many statements that she challenges Rahul Gandhi to fight against her on the Amethi seat. But still Congress Party decides not to contest Rahul Gandhi from the Amethi but from Rai Bareli. So all the war of words are being happening between the Congress and the BJP amid the Lok Sabha elections. Over to you then.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.